Today we are learning how to darn socks. So what you need is some embroidery thread or floss, scissors, needles, well technically just one, and a darning mushroom, and a holy sock, which I have plenty of those. First you're going to start by flipping the sock inside out. So you're going to put it on the mushroom so the hole is on the top, like that. Then you are going to get your embroidery floss, and you want to make sure that you have plenty of string. Make a little stitch right next to the hole. But you still want a bit of string on the end. Then next you're going to go through the hole like that, and you're going to do it several times across the hole. You want to go the opposite way, as close to the side of the hole as you want, and then you're going to go under the string, under the first string, over the next string, under the next string, and you're going to pull it through to be pretty tight. After you've done that, you're going to go the other way, but you're going to do the opposite. Since I went over this, under this string, I'm going to go over it, then under, then over, and try and put it pretty close to my last string. After you've done that, you're going to take your scissors, you're going to cut the string and the extra one at the beginning. There's no knotting or tying. So then, you're going to take the sock off the mushroom, and it should look something like this.